Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Hailuo AI. In order to do so, here we are at hailuoai.video, and we're going to go ahead and just do a general overview of all the different functions here. Hailuo is a fantastic video generator. It's one of the best out there, and they've added some really exciting options here recently. We'll just do a quick overview of the main page. Here we have our Explore page. You can take a look at some of the other really interesting examples that people have created, and you can see for yourself that it's really quite powerful. Up at the top, we have three options to explore. We've got video, chat, and audio. The majority of the functions you're going to find are going to be here on the video, but the chat, if we just take a quick look at it here, is something they added here recently where you actually have access to a chatbot now. And so you could pretty much ask anything, but this is also a good place for you to refine your prompts. If you are trying to get something very specific out of Hailuo, then you can use this chatbot and it can be very powerful to making sure that you're getting the results that you're looking for. Not only do they have the Minimax model, but they also have DeepSeek now. So that's kind of cool. So you could take advantage of that. There's also the audio option. And with the audio option, you can do speech synthesis. You can do text to speech. And so you can basically just get ourselves signed in here real quick. You just type in here anything you want. So we'll say, welcome to Skillcraft AI. And on the right-hand side, we have an option here. We could select that. And then you can see here that we have a variety of voices that we can use. Really cool that they added this, and something to play around with. But again, the primary tools are going to be found on the subscription page. And what you're going to see is here we have our main two options, create video and create image. We also have our assets and we have our gallery, but this is where we're going to be doing the majority of our work. Hailuo is nice enough to offer 100 free credits per day. So you can just come in, and basically with 100 credits, you can do about 3 videos and you can do some image generation. So not too much, but it's enough to get you started. Let's go ahead and check out we'll start with the create image here, just so that we could take a quick look at this. Everything what you would expect from image generation. All you have to do is just enter in your prompt, and we'll just say a fantasy forest, something like that. And we can click down here. You'll see that it costs 4 credits. Just click on that and Hailuo will then generate your image. We've got our model here. Right now, there's only the single model. We've got our ratio that we can set. So depending on what you're looking for, you could set that there. And you'll see just some of the examples of what we've been able to create with Hailuo here on the right. Let's go ahead and head to our video section here. This is where the majority of the magic happens. And we have our image to video. So you can bring in your image. You can see here we've got our dancing DJ. So we have our image we brought in, and here is the prompt. And here you'll see some camera instructions. So pan left, zoom in. This is a new function that they added here recently, and it's really quite exciting. If you look at this icon here that looks like a camera, if you click on that, then that's going to bring up your camera shots that you can choose. And you can see here we've got debut, freedom, and all you have to do is hover over with your mouse and it'll show you what the camera shot is going to do. This is just incredibly powerful to really get some dynamic shots. You also have free selection here. So we have truck left, truck right, pan, push in, pedestal up, tilt up, zoom in, shake. So if you're doing if you want to have kind of a handheld cam feel to it, that's kind of cool there. We've got our tracking shot. We've got static shot. So these are really powerful camera controls that can really get dynamic results from your images. So for example, we'll take a look here at our dancing DJ, and I'll just scroll down and you could see here, this is one that I did without any camera movement. Pretty good. Nice movement going on there. Let's scroll back up here and let's see what it looks like with some camera movement in it. We'll go ahead and make that bigger. So yeah, you could see the camera is now circling around our character, and we're getting all these cool floating fish around. And yeah, it's just very dynamic, really cool results. So here's another one that we could take a look at. Here's our skyline, panning right and zooming in to get a really nice dynamic shot of the city here. That gives you an idea of what Hailuo is capable of. And of the different models that are out there, Hailuo consistently comes out with the best results. So, or really good results. There's a couple of other ones that are really good as well. But if you're looking for a top-notch video generator, I highly recommend Hailuo. And the fact that they offer some free credits to play around is really nice. So we have here our image to video. Down here we have our models, and the director model is where you're going to find your camera movements. That's something that they just added here recently. We also have the previous model, which is for live characters, and we have our base model, which I think is more so for like scenic shots with like a city shot or something like that, basically where you don't have live characters in it. Then you might want to try out the base model. But as you could see here from the director model, you're still getting a lot of really good movement from characters, very natural, and that gives you an idea of what you can expect. So really powerful. It's one of my favorite video generators, and I highly recommend it. Let's see what other... This is something here also, is we have this little pencil icon with this, we can toggle that off and on. And so if you toggle this off, then basically it's not going to add any additional details to your prompt. But if you have that on, then Hailuo is actually going to pepper up your prompts a little bit, add some more details, so that way you can get some really optimal results. Sometimes you want to leave this off, and this is where it would be a good idea to maybe refine your prompts in something like a chatbot. The reason being is because sometimes you don't get the results that you're looking for, and in order to really make sure that you're getting the correct results, then you might want to turn that off and just make sure that your prompt is as detailed as possible. But the fact that they add the camera controls is really revolutionary. It just makes things that much easier, and you can get some really, really nice shots from that. Text to video, pretty straightforward. In fact, the city skyline that I created, that was a text to video prompt. And so you could just see for yourself what the results are like without even using any images. Really quite nice. Then we also have the subject reference. So in this case, what you want to do is you want to bring in a character. So for example, if we wanted to bring our dancing DJ in, we could bring her in and we can put her in different situations. So if you're looking for some character consistency, then you're going to want to use the subject reference. Upload a photo, describe the scene, and watch your character star in any scene. So really great for character consistency. So that gives you an idea of how to get started with Hailuo. Again, it is a fantastic video generator, highly recommended, and would say go ahead and give it a shot. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Sintra AI, gain access to AI employees and help build, grow, and scale your business with an employee that never sleeps. Sintra is a fantastic program. I highly recommend it. It's one of my favorite AI tools that I've come across, and we're very excited to be partnered with Sintra for this video. If you use promo code SKILLCRAFT60, then you can get 1 month free. Check out the description and click on the link in the description to get started. You would be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.